Hello and welcome to Lesson 3 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. Today we're going to look at some phrases for speaking about where you work or what you do in Irish.
An bhfuil post agat.
Tá is múinteoir mé, cad fuad féin.
Go deas, is léinn me.
Tá sé sin agat. Now let's go through that again. This time we'll read each line, pause for you to try it yourself, and then we'll repeat it so that you can see how you got on.
An bhfuil post agat. An bhfuil post agat.
Tá is múinteoir mé, cad fuad féin. Tá is múinteoir mé, cad fuad féin.
Go deas, is léinn me. Go deas, is léinn me.
Tá sé sin agat. Tá sé sin agat.
How did you get on there? Keep at it. It'll get easier the more you learn and the more you revise what you've done so far.
So a few things you might have picked up on from that one. To say what your job is in Irish, you can say is, job, mé. So for example, is lectror mé, meaning I'm an electrician. Give that a go yourself. Is lectror mé. Now you can try it for your own job. So you start with is and finish with mé. And you might remember from the last lesson that mé is the first person singular pronoun meaning I or me. Give it a go yourself. Insert your job in English and we can learn it later. So for example, if you're a teacher, you can say is teacher mé.
Cad fuad féin. It's a nice phrase that you'll hear us use regularly here on Conversations on Gaeilge Inniu. It literally means what about you or what about you yourself. It's often used when asking somebody about something that they've just asked you about. For example, in this conversation, after Anya gave me her job, she asked me, cad fuad féin, or what about you? What is your job?
That's it for now. Well done on completing Lesson 3 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. Slán go fóill.
Slán Conal.